Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Ito na naman si Tito Batang. Mag-share na naman ako sa inyo ng aking old videos. Ito nga pala ay tungkol sa cellphone na aking unboxing. Padala ng aking kaibigan. So, sa muli, Tito Batang, isang OFW at NBA cards and Hot Wheels collectors dito sa New Zealand. At syempre, nag-upload din ako ng iba't ibang video ko. Sana suportahan nyo guys. So, eto na.
Hello guys.
Yan na.
Kumusta kayo dyan? I-share ko nga pala sa inyo
Oppo
yung aking
F7 clone.
bigay ng aking sponsor. Galing Manila. Cellphone daw to eh. Oppo.
Since 2017 tong video na to guys.
Kanina lang sa dumating ko.
Saw you in your big black car and I was waving as you're passing. 'Cause I know who you are. You have this look that of an angel. You with such a bad disguise. And did you think for a second I would not realize? Tripping up, falling down to the ground. 'Cause I can't stand up but I can't fall down. 'Cause I'm somewhere in the middle of this. And I was out for the night and I saw you, so we had a fight. It was late and I was lonely.
May selfie stick. Mga naman.
Asked you if you join me for a single last cold drink. And so you turned and bought us two.
Hello guys.
Ayan na. Kung saan yung Tito Batang. Scam naman. Pangit na cellphone guys.
Angry when I drink. I want you more and more. Tripping out, falling down to the ground. 'Cause I can't
Fake
stand up
cellphone.
but I can't fall down. 'Cause I'm somewhere in the middle of this. Tripping out, falling down to the ground. 'Cause I can't stand up but I can't fall down. 'Cause I'm somewhere in the middle of this. You know I find it hard. I always try to find the sea light. But I don't like the way things are.
Ayun no. Natuwa si Tito Batang ah. Ayun na. Ayun. Ayun, sana. Hindi naman pinakita. Pakita mo, Tito Batang. Natuwa na. Yun lang.
Wow. Ito na siya guys.
Simple lang guys. China
Nga
phone.
pala, Bye-bye.
Yun lang. Ayan guys, ang aking unboxing ng Oppo F7 clone. Sana nagustuhan nyo guys at nalibang kayo sa aking video. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Tito Batang guys. Thanks.